Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hack the Academia. In this video, I am gonna show you how to use HPing utility and what exactly HPing utility can do. So in my last videos, I have shown you how to install and list down the top vulnerabilities for a particular target machine using the Nessus scanner. So as we know, in penetration testing or ethical hacking, very first step is to identify the top listening ports and the vulnerabilities for a particular port. So to find out the same, we have various scanning mechanism, including active scan as well as passive scan. So as a part of active scan, there are various tools using which we can find out and list down the top listening ports and particular vulnerabilities. So in last video I have shown you how to install and scan very first machine using Nessus vulnerability scanner, and in this video I am gonna talk about the HPing utility, and there are various tools like Nmap, SCAPI. So in my future videos I will make some of the videos on these two tools as well. So coming back to the HPing utility, so HPing is already pre-installed in the Kali Linux machine, and that we have installed in previous video. If you don't know how to install the Kali Linux, I have also made video on Kali Linux installation, so you may refer that video. So as a quick description of this tool, HPing is a command line utility which is inspired by ping utility of Unix like systems, and of course it is a TCP packet TCP IP packet analyzer, and it supports not limited to ICMP but also it supports TCP UDP, and all we can use this HPing tool for firewall testing. Suppose you have brought any firewall or you have you installed any firewall for testing purpose, you may check how many packets it can pass or various testing parameters you can set for a particular testing, and also it can do active port scannings, remote OS fingerprinting. Of course, people do use this tool for DNS, DDoS attacks. DDoS, that is distributed denial of service attack. So in my upcoming video, I will also show you how to use this tool for DDoS attack. So we will simulate DDoS attack on OS broken web application vulnerable machine. So coming back to this one HPing tool, what I will do, I will list down the top listening ports of target machine. Here my target machine is meta exploitable. Yeah, of course. This is highly vulnerable machine, so many of the services might be running on various ports. So only thing you have to make sure target machine is running up and in the same network. So I'll check the IP. Yeah, IP is 10.0.2.4, and I'll check the IP of my Kali Linux machine. So ifconfig. So IP is 10.0.2.5. Yes, of course, both machine are in the same network. I'll try to ping whether I could able to reach the machine or not. So 10.0.2.4. Yeah, I could able to reach the machine. So I'll clear the tab. Yes. So type hping hyphen h. So h is the parameter to list down the help page or help commands, all the commands of hping utility. So here you can find out all the listed commands of hping utility. Here are some of the common commands which people do use, and some TCP UDP commands, ICMP commands, and IP commands in various modes. And yeah, so you can see here scan is for scanning the target machine to list down the listening ports. So I will use here scan command. So type hping hyphen scan, and suppose I want to scan top 500 ports. So I have to specify here upper bound and lower bound. So like this I can specify, and I'll keep S. So S is the parameter for TCP sync scan. So as we know, for TCP communication, TCP handshake is the very important step. So TCP sync packet is the very first packet which is sent from the source to destination for handshake. So definitely we are sending the sync packet, then we will get the response from the target machine. Now specify the target machine. Wow, very quickly. So these are the top open ports between 0 to 500 ports, and we have received the reply also. Definitely we will receive the reply. And suppose I want to scan top 2000 ports, so only thing I have to change here like this. Yeah, so only these are the ports I think I have specified. Okay, that's why it was 200. Of course, it will not list down beyond 200. So keep like this. Yes, you can see 15241099. So now suppose I want to scan some of the specific highly vulnerable ports. I will not keep all the ports. Like I will keep 21, and then comma 22, 23, 445, 80, 445, and many more. Yeah. So this is about scanning the target machine using the hping tool, which is command line utility. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.